Welcome, Roblox fans. Today, we're walking through a super useful new update for anyone who wants more control over who can add them to private servers, right from your web browser on PC. Whether you're looking to play with close friends or just want to keep your gaming sessions a bit more private, this guide will show you exactly how to set things up in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox in your favorite web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the settings we'll need. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a menu will pop up. Find and select the settings option from that menu. Inside the settings, you'll see a bunch of different options. What we want is the one called Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage all sorts of privacy controls for your account. On this page, keep an eye out for the section labeled Visibility and Private Servers. That's where the magic happens for private server invites. Click on Private Servers under the Visibility and Private Servers section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu with several choices. The one we're interested in is called Friends and People I Follow. Select that option and you're all set. From now on, only your friends and the people you've chosen to follow will be able to add you to private servers on Roblox. This is a great way to make sure your gaming experience stays fun and safe, especially if you want to avoid random invites or keep your group just for your circle. The process is quick, simple, and gives you way more control over who can reach out to you in-game. And remember, these settings are all managed right from your browser, so you don't need to open the Roblox app or launcher to update your preferences. That's it. You've just learned how to let only friends and people you follow add you to private servers on Roblox Web. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!